Okay, in today's video, we are going to talk about aromatic amino acids metabolism. So this is a very important metabolism as per concern. So first of all, we have to know what are the aromatic amino acids. So to begin with this, we are going to talk about that different aromatic amino acid. We got the phenylalanine, we got the tyrosine, we got the tryptophan. These are the aromatic amino acids. So in today's video, we are going to talk about entire things. So before that, this phenylalanine, tyrosine, they will be almost same. Okay, so why we are calling this as a same means from the phenylalanine only tyrosine is going to get produced. So, and we have to know certain terms like phenylalanine is one of the essential amino acids here you can see, and this phenylalanine, so they're going to be okay. So when you are giving a more amount of tyrosine in terms of the diet, so that time phenylalanine is not at all be required here. So this is called as a sparing actions of tyrosine. If there is a tyrosine present in our body, then there is no need for the phenylalanine, because from the phenylalanine only tyrosine is coming. If tyrosine is already there is no need for the phenylalanine. So it is partly glucogenic and partly ketogenic. It's very important. We can understand it is later times. So first of all, we must know how the tyrosine is going to produce. So you can see that from the phenylalanine only tyrosine is going to produce. Phenylalanine is one of the essential amino acid. Essential amino acid means it has to be taken from the outside in the form of diet. So first of all, this phenylalanine is going to be converted into that of our tyrosine. So you can see the reaction very well here. So here got our phenylalanine, which is going to convert it into that of our tyrosine. Okay, using the enzyme. So what is that enzyme we called here? So this enzyme is known as phenylalanine hydroxylase. This is one of the important enzymes. Because of the deficiency of this enzyme, many disorders will also be taking place. The phenylalanine can be converted into tyrosine through the phenylalanine hydroxylase. And in this step, there is also another step is taking place. There is a tetrahydrobiopteron is converted into dihydrobiopteron. And there is also again it is recycled back through the NADPH dependent reductase. Like NADPH is going to convert into NADP+. So this is important. You need not to write entire thing. You just write phenylalanine can be converted into tyrosine using the phenylalanine hydroxylase. It's one step. And in the step, again a small step is taking place. A tetrahydrobiopteron can be converted into the dihydrobiopteron. So, and it also recycled back through this reductase. From here we can understand that the phenylalanine can be produced, phenylalanine produces the tyrosine with the help of the phenylalanine hydroxylase. So this is an important step as per here concern. Then after we found out that the phenylalanine is going to produce a tyrosine, we are going to talk about the catabolisms of the phenylalanine and tyrosine. First of all, very importantly, we got our phenylalanine, right? So this phenylalanine can be converted to tyrosine through the phenylalanine hydroxylase. Very important step here. From the tyrosine, it is going to convert it into para-hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid. So here the tyrosine will undergo some transamination reaction through with the help of PLP. Alpha ketoglutarate can be converted into glutamic acid. So because of this, there is a para-hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid is going to get produced here. This para-hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid is further converted into phenylacetic acid because of the hydroxylase. There is another OH is going to attach to this that forms the dihydroxy. Can you understand? Para-hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid can be converted into dihydroxyphenylpyruvic acid. This phenylacetic acid, this is otherwise known as a homogenistic acid. This homogenistic acid in the presence of the oxidases, that is going to divide it into malalacetic acid, and that is undergo isomerase to produce a fumaroacetic acid. That will undergo hydroxylase because of the water addition. They form the acidoacetic and fumaric acid. That is why we call the phenylalanine is a ketogenic and glucogenic, because it's going to produce a ketogenic pathway and glucogenic pathway. The fumaric acid forms as a glucogenic pathway, and the acidoacid forms a ketogenic pathway. So this is a metabolism of our phenylalanine as well as our tyrosine, which is a very, very important here. So we have talked about the aromatic amino acid. The first aromatic amino acid is a tyrosine as well as phenylalanine. This is how the catabolism will be taking place. So there is also important products which are formed from the tyrosine. So what are the important products are? The melanin, catecholamine and thyroxine. They will all will take a different reaction. So melanin and then catecholamine, tyrosine all will produce from the tyrosine. They will be having a separate different reaction. We will see it in the later video.